In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spike in Jira, which is a crucial step in managing projects effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. Creating a spike in Jira is not just a technical procedure. It's an essential part of Agile project management that lets your team explore solutions to complex problems. A spike generally refers to a user story that is focused on research and experimentation rather than immediate delivery. By creating a spike, you allow your team the space to innovate and resolve uncertainties that can block progress. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jira account, open your web browser, and head over to the Jira login page. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your user dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to select your project. In Jira, each project is unique with its own set of tasks and configurations. Click on the project you wish to manage, and you will find yourself in the main project overview where you can see your backlog, active sprints, and more. This is where the magic begins. Now look for the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. This icon is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with various settings and options. From this drop-down, select Space Settings. This area allows you to customize various settings specific to your project, ensuring that everything aligns with your team's workflows and requirements. Next, locate the Work Types section. When you find it, click on it. This is where you will manage the different types of work items your team can create, including tasks, stories, and, of course, spikes. Work types help classify and streamline task management, and right now we want to add a new one. To add a new work type, click on the Add Work Type option. You'll often find this button prominently displayed in the Work Type Management area. This is your gateway to defining a spike in Jira. After clicking Add Work Type, you will encounter a prompt to create your new type. Here you can click on Create Work Type. This opens a new form where you'll enter the details for your spike. You'll need to give a name and a brief description for your spike. It's important to be specific about what this spike will entail. For example, you might name it Research Blocker on Payment Gateway Integration and describe the purpose of the research or what uncertainties your team aims to address. Next comes the customization step, changing the icon. This feature allows you to visually differentiate spikes from other work types. Click on the icon option provided and select an icon that resonates with the concept of a research or exploratory task. A light bulb icon might be fitting. Once you've selected your icon, click on the Select button. This will confirm your choice and save it for the work type you're creating. The final step in this process is to click on the Create button. This action finalizes everything you've set up so far. If all goes well, you should see a confirmation that your spike has been successfully created. And just like that, you've created a spike. Now you can start adding spikes as needed for your team's various projects. Each spike can serve as a dedicated work item for research and experimentation, helping you navigate challenges more effectively. Remember, using spikes can significantly improve your project management by providing clarity and helping your team tackle uncertainties up front. So go ahead and start creating those spikes. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.